Okay, this is the material we are going to be using to make the senator top. So first of all, you impute your chest measurement and then measure out your length. Just like this one, the length is 39 and I added 2 inches. This is for the front, and then I'll cut out, and then I'll cut it out. And once I cut it out, once I cut it out, then I will put the front at the back for me to cut out the back part. So I'm going to put 2 inches for the ruler. You used to see all these men, they wear their dress and they used to have something like ruler at the back. So I'm going to put 2 inches for the ruler, and then I'll add 4 inches for the back. This is for the, you know that in cutting men's dress, the back is always more than the front. So I added 4 inches for the back. Yes, I added extra 4 inches for the back. And then I cut it out. And I notched at the ruler area. That ruler area, I notched it, and then I ironed it out. Okay? Then after ironing it, I went to my machine and sew out the ruler area. That ruler part, 2 inches. You can make your own 3 inches. Yes, it's still fine when you make it 3 inches, but let it not exceed 3 inches. Okay, then I ironed it out. As you can see how neat it is. As you can see how neat the ruler is. So I'm ironing it out so that once I'm going to cut out the shoulder and the neck, it will be neat. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to put the front one, I'm going to put the front one at the back, just like this, just like this. As you can see, the back is bigger than the front. And for the now let's impute our measurement. For the shoulder, I'm coming down by 3 inches. I came down by 3 inches for the shoulder. Yes, I came down by 3 inches. And then I want to impute the armhole measurement. The armhole measurement. Okay, his shoulder is 17. His shoulder is 17 inches. Okay, I carried my book so that I can be able to impute the shoulder measurements without any mistake. The shoulder is 18, and 18 divided by 2 is 9. And then I measure down 7 inches for the armhole. And then I use my ruler to impute the line and curve it out, as you can see. And then I curved it out. Then for the side slits, I'm using 10 inches, so that by the time I will fold in 2 inches at the down area, I will come out with, I will be having 8 inches remaining. So, and then here I'm imputing my chest measurement and I'm adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. I'm adding 2 inches for the sewing allowance. I'm imputing the measurement, as you can see. you'll be saying, why is the measurement straight? This is because the person's chest and the stomach side, that's the west side, is the same. Yes, that's why it's straight. That's why it's straight. And then I'm going to impute the neck measurement. His neck is 16 inches, and I put 2 inches by 2 inches, and then I measured it out and found out that it's not up to 16. Yes, see it. If it's up to 8, then that's 16. It's not up to 16, so I need to come down by 2.5 inches by 2 inches, and then I still remeasured it to see if it's up to 16, if up to 8. Yes, then once it's up to 8, if you go around, it will be 16. Then I raised up the front part to cut. Do not cut together with the back. I raised up the front to cut the front down to that back, okay, so that you not make mistake. Even though me, I've made that mistake when I was learning, and then I'm perfect now, okay. So that is it. Then this is for the back. I want to cut out the neck for the back, the neck facing. That's the facing of the back. That's what I'm cutting out. Then for the front, I'm going to use bias. I'm going to cut out something like bias with the material to bias the neck. That's for the front. So here I measure down 5 inches. No, sorry, 7 inches for me to get the back facing. Okay? And then now I want to cut out the sleeve. So in case you want to learn how to cut out the sleeve, I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to do a proper video on how to cut long sleeve. Okay? So when I took his measurement, it was 25, and then I measured 21 and minus 4 inches for the cuffling part. For the wrist, yes, I measured 4 inches for that. Just like I said I'm going to, do a proper video on how you can cut your sleeve. That's long sleeve. Okay? Because if I should explain this one, you might not really understand it. So what I'm doing now is to impute my sleeve measurement. Okay? I'm imputing my sleeve measurement in order for me to cut it out. Okay? And then I am going to place this one and another material for me to cut out the second sleeve. For me to cut out the second sleeve. Yes. And then this is the wrist part. Okay. This is the back of the dress, and then this is the back facing. That's the back facing, and then this is the front, and this is the shoulder. Okay, I'm going to do a part 2 of this video. Okay, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya.